Beginners crop the bend for this one. Reach your arms up, breathe in and feel your belly. Exhale, tie your core. Bring your arms down and flip your leg up. Feel that burn in your abs and your back shoulder. Squeeze sides and repeat. Aim for 3 sets of 10. Let's work.
Find the flow, catch the beat, step in. 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 Find the flow, catch the beat, find the flow, find the flow, catch the beat.